Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you dream of financial freedom? Real estate investing, particularly owning rental properties, can be your ticket to a life of greater control and security. It's a proven path to building wealth, but like any worthy endeavor, it demands careful planning, informed decisions, and a dash of courage. Think of owning a rental property as creating a stream of passive income. Each month, as rent flows in, you're building equity, covering your mortgage, and padding your pocket. It's about taking charge of your financial future, one property at a time. But let's be real, the world of real estate investing can feel like uncharted territory, especially for first-timers. Daunting questions might cloud your mind. How do I find the right property? What about financing? What if something breaks? Don't worry, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate these challenges head-on. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, providing you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. Before diving into the exciting world of rental properties, it's crucial to define your why. What are your primary motivations for investing in real estate? Are you seeking to generate passive income for early retirement? Do you want to diversify your investment portfolio and build long-term wealth? Once you identify your driving force, you can establish clear, achievable goals. For instance, if your goal is to generate $2,000 in monthly passive income within 5 years, your investment strategy will be vastly different than someone aiming for a quick flip to fund their dream vacation. Remember, clarity of purpose fuels motivation and guides your decision-making throughout the investment journey. Take the time to articulate your personal why, write it down, visualize it, and let it be your compass as we navigate the path to real estate success together. Investing in rental properties requires a realistic assessment of your financial situation. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to understand the basics. Begin by examining your credit score. A healthy score unlocks better loan terms and interest rates, saving you money in the long run. Next, determine your debt-to-income ratio, DTI. This metric compares your monthly debt payments to your gross monthly income. Lenders use DTI to assess your ability to repay a mortgage. Generally, a lower DTI signifies a lower risk for lenders. Saving for a down payment is another crucial step. While the exact amount varies, aim for at least 20% of the property's purchase price to secure favorable loan conditions and avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI. Finally, calculate your potential return on investment, ROI. This involves estimating rental income, deducting expenses like mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance, and comparing the net profit to your initial investment. They say location is everything in real estate, and for good reason. The right location can make or break your rental property investment. But what exactly constitutes the right location? Start by researching areas with strong rental demand. Look for neighborhoods with low vacancy rates, a thriving job market, good schools, and convenient access to amenities like parks, shopping centers, and public transportation. Consider the age and type of property that aligns with your investment goals. Do you envision a single-family home attracting families or a trendy condo appealing to young professionals? Each property type comes with its unique set of advantages and challenges. Remember, due diligence is key. Drive around potential neighborhoods, talk to local real estate agents, and research crime rates and school ratings online. The more information you gather, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. Mastering the art of the deal negotiation and due diligence. Finding the perfect property is only half the battle. Negotiating a favorable price and conducting thorough due diligence are equally crucial. Don't be afraid to negotiate with sellers. It's a standard practice in real estate transactions. Before signing on the dotted line, always conduct a professional home inspection. This step unveils any hidden issues such as structural damage, plumbing problems, or electrical hazards. A thorough inspection protects your investment and prevents costly surprises down the road. Title insurance is another essential safeguard. It protects you from financial losses arising from disputes over the property's ownership history. While it might seem like an additional expense, title insurance provides invaluable peace of mind. Remember, knowledge is power in real estate negotiations. Arm yourself with market data, comparable property sales, and a clear understanding of your financial limits. This empowers you to make informed decisions and secure the best possible deal. Financing your dream. Securing a mortgage for your rental. Unless you're sitting on a pile of cash, you'll likely need a mortgage to finance your rental property. Fortunately, various loan options cater specifically to real estate investors. Start by shopping around for the best mortgage rates and terms. Compare offers from different lenders including banks, credit unions, and online mortgage companies. Don't hesitate to negotiate interest rates, closing costs, and loan terms to secure the most favorable deal. Consider the loan type that aligns with your investment strategy. A fixed-rate mortgage offers predictable monthly payments, while an adjustable-rate mortgage, ARM, might come with lower initial rates but carries the risk of future increases. Understanding the intricacies of mortgage lending can feel overwhelming, but it's a crucial step towards owning your first rental property. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek guidance from experienced investors, and remember that knowledge is your most potent tool in this process. Preparing for tenants, from repairs to marketing your property. Congratulations on securing your rental property. Now comes the exciting, albeit demanding, phase of preparing it for tenants. Start by addressing any necessary repairs or renovations. Remember, first impressions matter. A fresh coat of paint, updated fixtures, and a well-maintained landscape can significantly enhance your property's appeal to potential renters. Next, establish a competitive rent price. Research comparable rentals in the area to determine a fair market value. Setting the rent too high might deter potential tenants, while undervaluing your property could impact your cash flow. Effective marketing is key to attracting reliable tenants. Create compelling listings with high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and a clear outline of rental requirements. Utilize online rental platforms, social media, and even consider hiring a real estate agent to broaden your reach. The tenant tango: finding and screening reliable renters. Finding reliable tenants is paramount to a successful rental property experience. Thorough tenant screening is your first line of defense against potential problems. Implement a robust screening process that includes rental applications, background checks, credit checks, and income verification. This helps you assess a tenant's financial stability, rental history, and overall suitability for your property. Don't be afraid to ask for references from previous landlords. A quick phone call can reveal valuable insights into a tenant's character, behavior, and payment history. Remember, choosing the right tenant is not about rushing the process. It's about finding a responsible individual who will treat your property with respect and fulfill their financial obligations. Property Management 101: Handling maintenance and tenant issues. Being a landlord involves more than just collecting rent. It requires addressing maintenance requests promptly and resolving tenant issues efficiently. Establish a system for handling maintenance requests. Provide tenants with clear instructions on how to report issues and strive to address them within a reasonable time frame. Regular property inspections can help identify and address minor problems before they escalate into costly repairs. Communication is key. Maintain open lines of communication with your tenants, addressing their concerns promptly and professionally. This fosters a positive landlord-tenant relationship and minimizes the risk of misunderstandings or disputes. Remember, being a proactive and responsive landlord protects your investment, ensures tenant satisfaction, and contributes to a positive rental experience for everyone involved. Reaping the rewards: managing finances and building wealth. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the initial stages of owning a rental property. Now, let's focus on the rewarding aspects of managing your finances and building long-term wealth. Establish a system for tracking income and expenses. Utilize spreadsheets, accounting software, or property management apps to monitor rent payments, track expenses, and generate financial reports. This allows you to make informed decisions about rent adjustments, property improvements, and future investments. Consider reinvesting your rental income to accelerate wealth building. Use the cash flow to create an emergency fund for unexpected repairs, or explore opportunities to acquire additional rental properties, expanding your real estate portfolio. Remember, real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By consistently managing your finances, reinvesting your profits, and adapting to market changes, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Welcome to the community, your journey to financial freedom. Congratulations on embarking on your journey as a real estate investor. Remember, you're not alone in this exciting endeavor. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through the power of rental properties, and a supportive community awaits to guide and inspire you along the way. Join online forums, attend local real estate meetups, and connect with experienced investors who can offer invaluable insights, advice, and support. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who understand the challenges and triumphs of the real estate journey. Never stop learning. The real estate market is constantly evolving, so stay informed about market trends, new technologies, and changes in rental laws. Continuous learning ensures you're equipped to adapt and thrive in this dynamic industry. Remember, the path to financial freedom through real estate investing is paved with dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never underestimate the power of community and continuous learning. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Don't forget to enter the link below in the description, give a like, share, comment on the video, and subscribe to our channel to keep receiving valuable information.